Hello and welcome to Learn Python Programming with Games by Packt Publishing. I'm Burkhard Meyer and I have more than 18 years of professional experience working in the software industry. For the past 5 years I have been using Python. I'm the author of the Python by Example video course. I'm the author of Python GUI programming recipes using PyQt5 by Packt. I wrote the Python GUI programming cookbook, both the first and second edition, and I also created the Python project video course, all by Packt. In this course, we will be learning the powerful programming language that Python truly is by writing games. This video overview will give you a glimpse of the entire course. In section 1, we will be using Python with Turtle to create a running game. Here you can see an example of one of the videos that's covered in the course. So we're using the Python Turtle module, and this is a game that's randomly generating the race. And you can see at the end, when we reach the finish line, one of the turtles won, and it says who won. In section 2, we will use Turtle together with tkinter to create a driving game. So this is an example of section 2 of the driving game. So we've got a little car here, and it can drive backwards and forwards, can turn, it can also crash. And let's go here. So it finished the finish line, show some speed, show some score. And can also crash. In section 3, we will use Pygame to create a player in landscape game. So Pygame is different than Turtle, so section 3 starts with Pygame. This is an example of section 3. We have a little horse that can run backwards and forwards. Then we have a little warrior here, a little guard. It can also turn around and come back down, and so on. In section 4, we will also be using Pygame to create a starships and asteroids game. It has some 3D capabilities. So this is an example of section 4. We can rotate our different objects in space, and we can move our spaceship or starship, and it shoots some red bullets basically. The main thing is really the rotation and the 3D code behind it. So what you need for this course, what are the prerequisites? Well, some experience with Python would be really useful. I'm using Windows 10, but because it's Python, it should run on Linux, Mac, and everywhere. It's Python. You do need an internet connection. I guess everybody has that these days. And maybe knowing how to install Python packages using pip, which is very simple, of course. If you haven't heard of pip, don't worry. But it's very little that you need to know as a prerequisite. So what are the course goals? The main goal is to learn the powerful Python programming language by creating games. And you gain an understanding of some basic and some advanced Python language features. We will both program functionally and object-oriented. We'll create games with Python Turtle. We create games with Python Turtle in addition with tkinter. And later we create games with Pygame. And I think you will have fun writing your own games in Python. And I think by the end of this course you will be able to write your own games using Python.